Hey testers, welcome back to Testing Patashala, your one stop guide to mastering software testing. Today's question: Selenium with Python versus Selenium with Java. Which one should you learn? Let's break it down. Selenium is the most popular tool for web automation, but which language should you use with it? Both Python and Java are widely supported by Selenium, but they serve different purposes depending on your goals. Python is simple and beginner friendly, whereas Java is verbose and complex. Python contains fewer lines, faster scripts, where our Java is more boilerplate. Python is growing but limited. Java is widely used in large companies. Python uses PyTest, robot framework. Java uses JUnit, TestNG, Maven, Gradle. Python's job market is great for startups, freelancers. Java strong in corporate jobs. Performance for Python is good for small projects. Java is best for large test suites. Go with Python if you're just starting out in automation testing. It's easier to write, faster to develop, and great for small to mid sized projects. It is best for solo testers or small QA teams, startup environments, quick test scripts, or prototypes and agile teams. Choose Java if you're working in a corporate environment or need scalable test suites. It's powerful, reliable, and integrates better with enterprise tools. It is best for large QA teams, complex enterprise applications, integration with tools like Jenkins, Maven, Jira. So here's the bottom line: Python is perfect for beginners and fast automation. Java is the go to for robust enterprise level testing. No matter which one you choose, learning Selenium itself is the real win. Which one are you using or planning to learn, Python or Java? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more such content.